My latest project is a frame for this poster. Now it may look simple, and it pretty much is, but I made a mistake that cost me a little bit of time. I don't know if there's a way to salvage this. It's not square. So watch as I screw up a project and have to figure out how to fix it. I'm making a simple frame using miter joints out of these 1x4s. Once I have the joints cut, I'll rip them down to their final width of 2 inches on the table saw. I love this tool. It's the gripper, and it just keeps your hand away from this scary blade. Still got all my fingers. So next, I'm going to use the table saw to cut a notch for the poster and the plexiglass in the backing to rest in. It fits just a little snug, but rather than sending it through this table saw again, I think I'm just going to give it a nice sanding on these interior lips, and that should give it just enough play. See if the sanding helped. Sanding helped. Fits perfectly. So the glue is dry. It's like unboxing a present on Christmas morning. As expected, there are some gaps, but I can fill those. And once it's painted, no one will ever know. Well, darn it. Something went wrong in the glue up. It's not square. I may have to start over. I was trying to avoid gluing it to the paper. The table would have kept it square, as well as the clamp. I don't know if there's a way to salvage this. New day, new plan. I'm gonna cut the corners on the bandsaw. Now I'm gonna clean up these corners on the miter saw. So it looks like we're about 1/4 of an inch too short on the width. Oh, perfect. Now let's glue it again. I've got it directly on the table. It's not wobbling. It appears to be square. We're back on track. There you go.